What's up, gals and pals? It's your buddy Coach Vino. So spring is officially in the air. That's right, folks. Spring is on the calendar, and today it's also going to be in our cup because I'm making you guys a cocktail called the Spring Cup. And this cocktail comes to us from a Dana Richardson over at Tag Restaurant in Denver, Colorado. Now, when I was looking for a spring cocktail to help celebrate the coming of the season, I came across the usual suspects that use tequila or rum, and then I saw this recipe. And what really intrigued me about it was that it uses Scotch. Now, Scotch is not the first spirit you think about when you think about spring cocktails. So I said to myself, you know what? I've got to try this. You know, Vino loves anything that's outside the box. You know, I'm a rebel that way. All right, folks, I'm gonna make this bad boy for you guys today. But before I do that, I'm gonna need you to go ahead and hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and that notification bell so you can help Vino feed the hungry algorithm. And make sure you stick around because we're about to boogie down. All right, so let's give our spring cup cocktail a sippy sip. We'll put our fruit to the side here and have a go at it. Cheers and happy spring, folks. That's interesting. You know, the Scotch probably isn't the best choice in this cocktail. I gotta be honest with you. I think the smokiness is a little too forward for me. And it really kind of overpowers any of the fruitiness that's coming through from the other ingredients, like the grapefruit. There's a little bit of bitterness coming from the grapefruit, which actually kind of is a nice touch with the Scotch. It reminds me a little bit of kind of like using mezcal with grapefruit, which is a nice combination. Doesn't work quite as well. Let me give this another sip. Yeah, I mean, I can see the merit of this cocktail. It's not my favorite. I really think this would be great with another spirit. I actually think, you know, like I said, you know, the old, usuals like tequila or something like that actually would work really great in this cocktail. Obviously, tequila and grapefruit are a thing. You know, the Scotch is fine. It's not my favorite. You know, this is an okay cocktail at best. But you know what? That doesn't mean that we can't have a great spring, right, folks? We can't have all home runs here. So look, you can try the cocktail out. Maybe let me know what you think. Let me know how you might improve it as well. I do think another spirit would work better in this cocktail. Maybe even bourbon. I mean, I'm not saying that whiskey can't be the thing to use in this cocktail. I just don't think that Scotch is it. I think the peaty stuff doesn't work well in this particular cocktail. Anyway, so not the start to the spring I thought we'd have. But you know what? You got to try something, right, guys? Anyway, if you like this video, please press like, please subscribe, and please share it with your family and friends. Remember, sharing is caring, and hopefully this is still gonna be salvageable. All right, folks. And when life gives you lemons, make yourself a cocktail. Cheers.